Fixing missing data in VB6 ADO when reading SQL Server stored procedure results. The problem: stored procedure data not appearing in VB6. When executing a SQL Server stored procedure that returns data, developers often encounter an issue where some columns show data correctly in SQL Server Management Studio but appear empty or missing in VB6 using ADO record sets. In this case, columns like observationes verification and fecha verificado are returned fine directly in SQL Server but appear blank in VB6 after fetching through ADO. Root cause: ADO's handling of large or text columns. The problem often arises due to the way VB6 ADO handles certain data types. Columns of types text, ntext, or large varchar, max, lobs, can cause issues if accessed out of order. Reading columns in a different sequence than they appear in the select statement or accessing the same column multiple times may cause ADO to fail fetching the data properly. This is a known limitation or quirk of older ADO versions in VB6. The solution: maintain column access order. To fix this issue, access record set fields in the exact same order they are selected in the SQL query. Avoid skipping columns or reading columns out of sequence. For example, if your SQL select is then your VB6 record set access should respect this order. Avoid reading ID before observationes verification or fecha verificado. Additional tips: use set no count on in your stored procedure to avoid extra count messages. Ensure your ADO command and connection are correctly set. If possible, consider upgrading to newer technologies or using client-side cursors with Add Use Client as appropriate. Summary: when dealing with legacy VB6 and ADO applications, read fields in the exact order they are returned from SQL Server. This prevents the loss of data in lob or text fields. This small practice resolves mysterious empty fields that otherwise display correctly in management tools but fail in application code. By adjusting your VB6 code to follow this column access order, your missing data will correctly populate.